This is a public health and safety announcement from the Arkansas Department of Health. Do not turn off your television. Turn on the radio. A new form of contagion has been discovered in the United States. This has been named SHON-1. As of right now, other state and federal agencies are making statements across the United States. Within Arkansas, it is best to trust information coming only from within the Arkansas state government or the Arkansas Department of Health. The symptoms of SHON-1 are as follows: vomiting, fever or chills, coughing or shortness of breath, muscle pains and violent outbursts. Please remain safe and remind your loved ones to seek medical attention if they receive any of these symptoms. It is unwise to panic and mass buy, frequently contact emergency services, or leave the virus unattended. Your scheduled programming will return shortly. Thank you for paying attention to this message.